Whoa. Whoa. Took a couple minutes, but look at this, powerful. Today we're going to bring a submersible water pump. This is a smaller water pump, but it's very powerful. It's good to take out any water if you have a pool, or maybe if you have a pond, or maybe if you just have water around your house that you want to remove. This needs at least 2 inches to install to start sucking up some water. 2 to 3 inches actually to start process. All right, and this is on automatically will turn on as soon as it identifies that it has water. It's going to start draining it out. So this is where you actually is going to take the water out. So it sucks it in from the bottom, if you guys can see that, and it drains it out through the top. All right, so I'm going to put this to use. This is not submergible, the main connection. All right, they give you a couple attachments here. They give you the actual rope and plumber's tape and extra adapters in case you don't have the proper adapter for the water hose. We're going to test this out and see how fast and powerful it works. We're going to attach this one because we have a water hose that we want to make sure that we can drain it out. All right, this is about almost 5 gallons. We're going to see how fast this system can take it out. And I did attach a water hose so we could see the drain and see how fast it's quick. So I didn't put plumber's tape, but it's recommended to put plumber's tape in here so it won't leak. But today we're just testing it out. So we'll throw it in as soon as I plug it in. Whoa. Took a couple minutes, but look at this, powerful water. Look at that. That's super strong. I'll keep it under, but it is really strong on the water hose. Look at that. Drain the whole thing in about a matter of seconds. Look at that. That's amazing how powerful it is. And there it is. That's the last of it. But in about, I would say 10 seconds. Alright, this thing is super powerful. It drained it about 10 seconds. It started spilling everywhere as soon as water started pouring. It took about maybe 15 to 20 seconds. And then it started jamming really fast where it was draining a lot of water. So it did this in about 10 seconds. It could have been faster if I would have been putting plumber's tape because it was leaking a little bit here. But as a test, it's perfect. If you're going to drain a pool, this is going to be a matter of a couple hours to drain the whole pool. Very small and powerful pump compared to my last one, which is a lot larger. Very easy and convenient to use. Just plug it in and let it do its magic. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.